It's about at this point of Ramadan that we're so sick of cooking that we just don't want to think about what else to make. You know, we've been making feasts, creating delicious food this whole month, and now we're at the pointy end where we just want something super simple, super quick, takes no time at all, and something that's, you know, fairly light. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of Abu Ahmad's garlic and vinegar Lebanese sausages. Pan fried, bit of onion, pomegranate molasses, bit of honey, and some pine nuts, and make that as part of your beautiful meza. So I want to get my fry pan to a nice heat. I'm going about a medium to high heat because the last thing I want is for the sausages to actually burn from the outside and then be raw on the inside. Super simple, really. It's embarrassing. This recipe is so embarrassing. I've got the sausages, they're looking really good. All you want to do is, you know, cut them. And all I'm going to flavor these sausages with is pomegranate molasses and some honey. And it's going to go beautiful, you know, caramelized, and onion as well. That flavor in there is going to work so well with the garlic and vinegar flavor that's already in these sausages. A lot of people might ask, what's the difference between Aussie sausages and Lebanese sausages? Well, first and foremost, the size of the Lebanese ones are small. There is no good way of saying this. Get your mind out of the gutter, peeps. Talking about the sausages here. Okay, our pan is nice and hot. Gonna just throw them straight in. Now I'm not gonna put any oil in there. And the reason being is all the fat from the sausages is gonna come out. And, you know, they're just going to cook in their own fat and juices. We add the onions now. Our sausages have caramelized really nicely. Now, let's just add the final touches and we're ready to enjoy. So, pomegranate molasses, just all over. We've got some honey, bit of sweetness, so give that a nice mix and add some pine nuts. Now what's going to happen is that honey, run away pine nut, that honey is going to thicken and act like almost like a sticky glaze. Final mix and plate up. Grab everything. Served with some Lebanese bread. You know, I'm serving it today as part of a meza board. And just to finish it off, I've got a few fennel fronds that I'm just going to place all over. Micro parsley. Bit of freshness, bit of color, bit of deliciousness. I mean, look, I'm done. Serve it with your meza. We've got some fried eggplant, fried cauliflower, labneh, crunchy bread, whatever you like. Dinner in a flash, sahten, and enjoy.